Are you having trouble finding our sunflower products at Walmart? If so, this is because Walmart has recently reduced the number of items that they carry in their stores. We would appreciate your help if you'd be willing to talk to Walmart about putting those items back in. You can find two methods for contacting Walmart, one by telephone and the other electronically. We certainly appreciate any help you are willing to give us and hope that you will continue to enjoy the products my family has been making for 5 generations.